Hi, I'm Eli, CTO of LocksInc, and I'm presenting Adatar, formerly known as the Gravatar for Ada wallets. We received funding in Fund 6 in the amount of $87,700. Our major goals were to make payments easier to read. We also wanted to make sure an Adatar could give an identity to an address on the blockchain. We also intended to have distributable NFTs so that we could look up addresses by NFT details. What we did achieve was significant. We created a system for identifying payments for Adatars. Since we weren't creating a script address off the PAB, we needed a mechanism to ensure the user who registered an Adatar actually paid for it, and it worked. We created an internal integration for BlockFrost to verify those payments in specific amounts to the specific addresses. We created integrations with multiple SIP30 wallet extensions for Chrome and Chromium browsers. We created a system in which Adatars are mapped to Cardano addresses and are easily searched. We created an easy payment and tipping option for further simplifying payments. We learned a lot of things, one of which was that our hoped changes to the PAB were going to be delayed. We couldn't find a suitable alternative to the PAB method of minting NFTs and distributing them to addresses automatically. Once we launched, though, we learned that people really like the convenience of Adatar to access people's payment addresses, but they wanted even quicker ways to pay. So we built the tipping and payment endpoints with easy to set defaults. We had KPIs for integrations and adoption numbers. Our KPIs were fairly simple in the initial proposal. We did not meet the integration aspects because the software we wanted to integrate into hasn't been finished. The user adoption didn't have a target for early adoption, though to date we've had over 90 users registered. We anticipate higher adoption rates when we move to the NFT version backed by the PAB. We will at that time be converting Adatar. We're going to be doing a demo here, making Ada Lovelace 2. I'll be using my same email from a number of other Adatars, but that's fine. We'll make the Ada Lovelace to Adatar here and use the address from my Nami wallet. The description can be anything you want, a poem, decorative text. And once we're done here, the Adatar will not be searchable because it hasn't been verified yet. We'll use Nami to pay here. Okay, so we'll check, and the payment went through. We will get the transaction ID. We'll need that. So we'll get the transaction hash. Go back here, verify payment, verify the payment here, and now you'll see it's verified. We can use the pay endpoint for Ada Lovelace 2 now because she's been verified. And we can also set parameters like a parameter of 50 Ada in the URL to determine the initial payments in the text input. So you'll see here the roadmap. Q1 2022 we've completed. Q2 2022 we have morphed the Adatars into NFTs, add blockchain-based lookup, option to transfer existing Adatars to NFT, enable trading of NFT Adatars, build partnerships with DEXs and other platforms, wallet, backend APIs, onboarding businesses with an open API, transaction reporting, integration with in-browser PAB, support for smart contract transactions, and open source the project. And finally, we want to say thank you. We love Catalyst and the whole Cardano community.